Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review at the Huck's World, and today we got a very awesome, very unique watch face to take a look at by Schultz. This watch face is nice. So the name of this watch face is called the Predator, right? You know the Predator is coming out pretty soon. I believe it's coming out in September. Whenever it's coming out, I will be there to see it. So this watch face is definitely right on time, right? I'm liking the look. I'm liking the design of this watch face. So I'm going to give the developer 2 thumbs up in the door. Now, what I do like about this watch face is that in the always on mode, you'll still be able to tell your time at a glance with no problem. But let's take a look at the watch face when it's on. Of course, you got these little symbols of the Predator all over the place, very nicely laid out. Now at the top, you're going to be able to get your months. Down here, you're going to be able to get the days of the week, and it's going to be lit up in red to let you know exactly what day and what month it is. I do like that. Now I'm guessing this is going to be your digital time in Predator, right? Because you got digital time down at the bottom, and you got a beautiful glowing looking analog hand as well. So you do get the best of both worlds, and it gives you the date right here as well. Like, I'm thinking the developer got down on this watch face. Now over here, that meter there represents your battery life. The one over here with the little dot represents your step status. And as we look around the bezel of the watch, of course you got where you can get into your messages, you can make a phone call, you can tap into your weather. This is definitely a nice laid out watch face. You want to check out your battery percentage, you can do that. You got shortcuts all over the place, guys. You got to take a look at this. This is very, very nice and unique, and he always makes it affordable in the Gear Manager store. If I double tap, I could change the color theme of this watch face. We're going to cycle through just to give you an idea of what colors it has. Now it's going to give you 10 in all, right, which is nice. So you can customize to whatever you want for the day, or you can just tap into your favorite color from day to day. So I'm liking this. But at the end of the day, remember people, what do you think? All right, you all, I'm liking this watch face. I think it's super slick. I am going to wear this when the Predator comes out. I'm going to be tight. All right, that's going to be it. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face, and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, people, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.